Hello friends. We are the forum ssc.org, a community for the SSC aspirant. Today this video is dedicated for the mechanical student who are going to prepare SSC Junior Engineers exam or the others exams like Railway, BSNL, BHEL, GIL, IOCL. The list is very long, but the preparation tips and trick all are the same for all these exams. Today we are going to discuss about the SSC Junior Engineers exams. This exams is mainly divided into two parts. First is the non-technicals and the technical sector. Our main focus is the technical general engineering. In this sectors 100 number of questions asked, totally the mechanicals. This mechanical is further divided into four parts: just the mechanics, thermal, fluid mechanics and the material science. How many questions are arises from this mechanics? In 2015 PT exam, total 29 number of questions from mechanics, 34 number of questions from thermal, 24 number of questions from fluid mechanics, and the material science, all the cutting operation and machining operations are this 13 number of questions from the material science. Now I'm going to detail on this, that what type of questions, what level of questions they are going to be asked. In thermal sector, again I divided into thermodynamics, IC engines, refrigerations, compressor. This mechanics part, TOM, machine design, engineering mechanics and SOM. Fluid mechanics, hydraulic part, centrifugal part and fluid mechanics itself, and the material science, all cutting operation and machining operations. Few 1 sentence type of questions are asked in this sector. These three are the main area for success in the SSC Junior Engineer exam for the mechanical candidate. In 2015, total 3 lakhs approx 8,000 student appeared, and especially in the mechanical and electrical sector 1801 number of student got selected for the round 2, that is mains exam. So this cutoff was 131. This is one of the most things. Now I would like to discuss what level of questions are they are going to ask. First, this general engineering, this gear will move if this will move and this will move. This gear is indicate that the level of questions are simple formula based questions. What is Bernoulli's theorem equation, continuity equations, mechanics parts, simply the object is here and what is the resultant force, and basic fundamental concept. SSC Junior Engineer exam is focused mainly on these two, and the third sector is twisted question. This formula based question, 28 number of question asked in 2015 approx. Total 56 number of questions basic fundamental concept, and the twisted question is 16. These two are the simple form of the questions. We will discuss about these two the basic fundamental concept. First, enthalpy is calculated. Here I would like to know this term. What is enthalpy? Enthalpy is the total heat content of a system. This is the system, the total heat content. Total heat content is known by its internal energy and the work done. How the internal energy? Del U, simple dW. How to calculate this dW? This question is not about the how to calculate the dW. This is simply the total energy, means del U plus dW. dW is the product of P and V. This is pressure P and V diagram. And suppose isothermal expansion process, this V2 V1, this simply P, this is the work done. So the first statement, the sum of internal energy del U and product of pressure and volume of the system V2 minus V1. So it's simple. The second, the area below the PV diagram of non-flow process represent this simply W. W is the work transfer. In isothermal process, the heat transfer is, in isothermal, first of all we would like to try to know about what is the isothermal PV diagram. Simple isothermal expansion, this point, this Q1 to 2 is equal to du plus dw1 to 2. Especially in isothermal process, this internal energy is 0. Means this isothermal process, no change in temperature. So it's simple, equal to work transfer. Next questions I would like to see. The fluid is said to be idle. Idle fluid is simply inviscous and incompressible and no surface tension. Bulk modulus is infinite. These are the second level, but the first is what is the idle fluid, this. And second level questions may ask that not exist in the nature. Gear teeth, about the gear teeth. Gear teeth has different manufacturing process like heat treatment, different alloys added like nickel, chromium or different. So this is for just avoiding the wear. Boiler accessories. What is boiler? We know what its accessories part. Accessories part are economizer, preheater, superheater. So this is always for the improvement performance. Next questions, this is the formula based question, simple formula based questions. That modulus of elasticity, basically we have the three of four number of formulas regarding all this. That this one is the correct answer. 2 is spring of the stiffness K1 K2. Here it's series, just made in the series, 1 by K1 1 by K2, its equivalent 1K equivalent. Now this term you want, so it's simply formula based calculation is going on. Now the power sector, what is T? T is simply P 2 pi n P 400 K. Here unit and dimension is one of the most things. 1000 by 2 pi n. So it's simply going on. And